I am here with our interspecific begonias, and here is our top hat scarlet. Gorgeous flowers. Top hat are very quick to produce, great for multiple containers, hanging baskets, 306 packs. We have 4 great colors for the landscape. We also have this chocolate foliage, white flowering bowler, a bowler begonia. It's an interspecific begonia, strong garden performance, great for both sun and shade. And then we're delighted to have our new bionic begonias. So we have 2 green leaf types, 2 bronze leaf types. They're going to have a little higher vigor than the top hat and bowler. Excellent branching, about 60% more branching than other interspecifics in the marketplace. These interspecifics are destined for your production programs. I'm Jamie Gibson here at CAST 2022 with some great, outstanding interspecific begonias.